How to add V-Bucks gift card on Nintendo Switch. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll guide you through the simple steps of redeeming a V-Bucks gift card on your Nintendo Switch. If this is your first time purchasing a V-Bucks gift card and you're unsure about how to redeem it, fret not. The redemption process is straightforward and is the best done through the official website of Fortnite rather than directly on your Switch console. To begin, open a web browser on any device of your choice and navigate to fortnite.com. Once there, sign into your specific account at the top right corner of your screen. You can log in using either your email or password from your Epic Game account or your Nintendo account directly. And when you click on the profile icon over here, from the drop-down menu, select the V-Bucks card option. And upon selecting this, you'll see supported devices including PlayStation, Xbox, PC, mobile, and Nintendo Switch. Click on the Get Started option, which is highlighted in yellow color. And now enter the PIN located on the back of your gift card. After inputting the code, the V-Bucks gift card will be instantly credited to the account you're signed into. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate this process live as I do not have a V-Bucks card with me at the moment. However, rest assured that following these steps will ensure a smooth redemption process. Once verified, you will have the V-Bucks card ready for use the next time you launch Fortnite. Remember, it's really crucial to complete this process on the website and not within the game itself. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the Epic Game support or the retailer you purchased the gift card from. I trust that this guide has been helpful in adding a V-Bucks gift card to your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you for tuning in.